How to merge layers and export them. Add the required data to your map from GIS data as shown in the video. Navigate to the Process Reference Layer section and open the Merge Polygon tool. Choose the layer on which you want to perform the merge operation. You can merge polygons in two ways. First, by selecting the attribute and choosing the specific values of the polygons you want to merge. Or either by selecting the polygons directly on the map, one by one. In this video, I have selected 6 polygons. You can either save the result as a new layer or update the existing layer. In this example, I am choosing to save it as a new layer and then submit. Now, as you can see on the map, the selected polygons have been merged into a single polygon and added as a new layer. For better clarity, I'll apply some styling, reducing the opacity of the unmerged layer and adjusting its color. Now you can clearly see both the merged layer and the unmerged layer displayed correctly on the map. If you need to filter out data on the map, go to Process Reference Layers and search for Advanced Filter. Select the layer on which you need to perform Advanced Filter. From there, I can draw a shape on the map, and all polygons lying inside that shape will be filtered out. Once the filtering is done, I can publish a new layer containing only the filtered data. As you can see on the map, all the filtered polygons have been added as a new layer. Rename the layer as per your preference. You can download these layers in any preferred format such as GeoJSON, SHP, KML, CSV, and many more. This completes the process of merging, filtering, styling, and exporting layers on the map. Thanks for watching. Reach out to us with your use case, and we'll be happy to help.